Finally.
They told me it was impossible. They told me I was mad. They told me to stop shouting! I have created the perfect partner who will be mine and only mine forever. Simone, these last few weeks have been just incredible. I love you. Simone, who is Jeff?
Come on, I think we should see other people.
Sounds like you already are.
I'll send for my things.
Wiepen into Mannstrudel. That's right. Everybody look at the freak. The freak is Monster Man.
Wow, that looked devastating.
Who do you think you are, huh? You think you are the bee's knees? I made those knees!